Hello everyone, today I'm making sweet and sour pork ribs. They are finger licking delicious pork ribs and they fast and easy and serve them with rice and a quick salad. If you want to know how I make them, please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. So I have here a less than a pound of pork ribs, and I cut them small pieces just like the Asian people doing. And to get rid of animal smell and all the impurities that cling to the ribs, I use salt and lime to scrub them and let them sit there for 3 minutes, and after that I rinse and wash and drain. You don't want a wet ribs to start because it was splashing all over the place. So on my skillet here I have like an inch of oil and I sprinkle the salt into it. That is the tips from me for you. When you add the salt before frying something, it prevents the splashing from the oil all over the place. So my ribs sat on the paper towel, so with the help of the salt, it's very good now, and it fries nicely. I let the bottom side to be golden brown before I flip them, and I keep doing that on other side so that they cook and crispy. And I use the lid to loosely cover so that it is prevent on further splashing. Now in other skillet I have some oil going on, just a little, and I added my rice. I have about 2 cups of rice here, and I cook them in advance, and my rice stay in the fridge, and that's why they cling to each other. You can see there one big piece. Don't worry about that. I give you the tip right now. You pour some water onto your skillet and cover it. The steam and the heat will help break down on your rice. You can see I press them down now, and they become small for you to handle. And then from now on you can fry normally. I keep the rice in place for like 2 minutes or so, and after that I will stir them. But you don't need to stir constantly. You need them in contact with the hot surface so that they crispy. Now the season for the rice is very easy. I put in some ground black pepper, some garlic powder. I like this garlic powder, they're very fragrant. And you don't need to have any fresh garlic, you still can have garlic fried rice. And I will add some salt to it, and that's it. Very simple because we have a very flavorful rib, so we will keep it simple for the fried rice. But one more special here that I've crisp my rice uh, golden brown there. You see, those are very crispy, and I mix together with the rice so that you can have some soft rice and some crunchy rice. Very interesting that way. Now on this skillet that I fried the ribs earlier, I ran out on the oil, just left a little bit, and I add my sauce in. That is sweet and sour sauce. And I added a tablespoon of half and half to brighten up. Because this sauce I made in advance. And if you like to see how I made them, please check out other videos. The video of that of chicken drumstick fry with sweet and sour sauce. In that video, I show you how to make the sauce in advance and in abundance so that you can store them in the fridge whenever you want to do sweet and sour ribs, sweet and sour fish, sweet and sour chicken. You just manage your meat or fish, and then you pour the sauce onto the skillet and you stir fry them so that the sauce coats your meat, your fish for a few minutes, and that's it. You can see my sauce coats the ribs nicely, and you can see before I fry the ribs thoroughly so that they are crispy outside and cooked through inside. The thing about Asian ribs, they don't make a big piece like American ribs, so that they cook very fast. And that's it. You just need to stir for a few minutes and that you're done. How easy and fast that is. Now we have everything we need. So I start plating now. I scoop out the rice onto my plate, and on the cutting board there I have some slice red cabbage, red onion, and my pickled carrot and daikon. And the green one there is a Vietnamese mint, corn rau ram. Those vegetables will combine with each other and make a quick salad. So after I'm done, I have the plates full of vitamins coming from the vegetables. I have protein from the ribs. I have the starch that from the rice. So those my plates that I fix has everything we need to carry us throughout the day. Nutritious, delicious, healthy, and finger-licking good. Now I arrange my ribs next to the rice. You can see I put it up and down so that they got interest there, and I spoon the sauce on over them because the sauce is very good. If you don't eat with rice, you can eat the ribs on by itself, or you can eat them with bread or pasta, macaroni, spaghetti. You can see, just pick up a piece of ribs and enjoy. Now, I put the red cabbage around the empty space there, and I will add to it red onion and pecan, daikon and carrots, and some of the juice, the liquid from the fish sauce and fish sauce dip that I made earlier, and the liquid from my pickle. So you keep watching, and I like to take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. I like to share everything I know with you. I like everything. I have passion for food, baking, cooking, and everything in between. So I want to share everything I know with you. So please subscribe. That's your reward to me. So this green one is Vietnamese mint. You should try sometime. They are so fragrant and I love it so much. I grow them in my garden. So one day I will make a video of how to grow them. You must have it, we must have it for every salad that we have. And this is zinnia that I grow in my garden as well, and they know pesticide and anything very healthy, clean flower. So I put on my plate, so it adds dimension and beauty to my plate. And I break up some Vietnamese mint to put on over my rice, and look, delicious, don't you think? I invite you to enjoy the dish with me, and I hope I inspire you to do these ribs for your family. This is very good and delicious and easy to make. Please let me know how it goes. And please come back soon to watch my other videos. Like I said, I have sweet and sour fried chicken drumstick, and you can see how I make the sauce there. Now I'd like to say goodbye, and I will see you soon. Thank you.